Hey friends, I want to share with you how to make smashed potatoes. This is one of my most requested recipes on Instagram. It could not be easier. You want to start with Yukon Gold or small red potatoes. You're going to cover them with water, bring them to a boil, and then bring the water down to a simmer and set your timer for 15 minutes. It may take 20 minutes depending upon the size of the potato, but once they are cooked and tender, you drain the water and then you can either stick them in the fridge or set them aside until the smashing process. For that, you're just going to need a baking sheet. So I'm just going to spray this. I usually use my EVOO. And we're going to put the potatoes on the baking sheet, give them some room. Then you can get a jar. I use a wee yogurt jar. And you want to simply smash the potato. This is so easy, and the good thing is you can make your potatoes ahead and they'll stay in the fridge all day if you want to just come home and make the smashed potatoes at night. Okay, it's that easy. Now, we're just gonna season. I love to melt some ghee. It just gives them a great flavor. Then I like to drizzle with a little bit of EVOO and then finish with some seasonings. These are my favorites. Kosher salt. I love Morton or Diamond. And then I just absolutely love Lowry's garlic salt. That gives it a little kick. Now, I'm going to put these in a 425 oven until they get crisp, so I will be right back to show you all how they turn out. Hey guys, I want to show you one thing. I've pulled these out, they're almost done, but I've turned most of them where they'll crisp on both sides. And what I like to do is give them another spritz of EVOO. So I'm going to stick them back in to finish, and then I'll show you how they turn out. Okay everybody, they turned out beautifully. They're crispy on the outside, they're soft on the inside, they've got that salty hint of garlic. They're so fabulous. You can serve them plain. I always like to have a little ketchup with mine, but anyway, these smashed potatoes are so easy and always delicious.